everyone. All right, well, we're at the end of our unit on folk tales, and I thought it would be kind of fun, now that we've read all the folk tales in this book, to kind of talk about how the lessons they teach us might be the same, or in some cases different. And in order to make those comparisons, we're going to use something called a Venn diagram. Now, some of you, this might be a new idea, so let's just take it easy here, and we are going to talk about what a Venn diagram is. All right. First, why don't you tell me some things about a kitten, right? So, first thing I'm going to ask you about a kitten is, what does a kitten eat? Yeah, cats like fish. So I'm going to write down fish. What do cats say? They meow. I'll write down meow. And then the last one I'm going to ask about here is I'm going to go ahead and ask, what do cats do when they get angry or if they're trying to defend themselves? Yeah, they might hiss, or maybe they are going to scratch. Okay? These are cat things. I've put them inside this circle. Okay? Now, let's try this circle. Puppy things. Okay. What do puppies eat? So they're not going to eat fish, but they do like to chew on bones, right? Yep. How about this? What do puppies sound like? Yeah, they bark. And then what do puppies do if they're scared or if they're trying to defend themselves? Yeah, they might bite, right? Yeah. So these two animals are different. But if you think about it, as different as they are, you are still going to find some things that are the same. So remember, cats ate fish. Puppies like bones. Those are different, but they both have a tail. See? Cats say meow. Dogs bark. But they're both pets. Cats will often scratch if they're angry or scared, where dogs might bite if they're angry or scared, right? But they are both mammals. Now, notice where I put my details. On one side, I put the things that are different. See? On the other side, I put the things that are different. But right here in the center, I put down some things that were the same about both of these. So we're going to try to do that same thing with the themes that went with our folk tale. Here we go. Let's see if we can't use a Venn diagram to compare what's the same and what's different about these two stories. So on one side, we have the Village of Moon Rain. That was one of the first folk tales we read. It was about that village that got the seeds, and they planted the seeds. And then over here, we just finished Why the Sky is Far Away. What is different about them are on the sides in those circles, and what's the same about them is in the center of those circles. So let's figure out what is kind of unique to the Village of Moon Rain. It is about great things that come in unexpected packages. So those seeds ended up being great, but they didn't know that. So its theme is, wow, you got to try new things. Okay? Whereas the theme of Why the Sky is Far Away is about taking gifts and then just keep taking them and taking them for granted. Right? Too much. You're taking too much. And what might happen, you might not be getting any more gifts. But if you think about both of these stories, they were alike in some ways. They were about receiving gifts from nature. Seeds came as a gift, and the sky was giving its food as a gift. So really, the sky gave both these stories gifts. So we're comparing and contrasting two things using a Venn diagram. Very nice job. Thanks, guys. Bye.